Okay, welcome back to the Toolbox Plugin series. I'm going to add this video at the end, and then I'll just keep adding stuff in the middle as we add more things. But as I'm doing the ITSY series right now, I'm getting ready to actually export what we've already done and bring that into ITSY. So I figured I'd go ahead and get this in here now. So obviously the objectives for today are going to be to package up our plugin and then import our plugin into a new project. So this should be a pretty quick, easy tutorial, and let's get going. Okay, here we are back in our toolbox environment. We're going to go ahead and get this thing packaged up. So it's super easy. All we have to do is go up here to edit, plugins, and go to our toolbox plugin and go ahead and click package. Pick where we want it to go. I am going to pick here. And that should get it rolling. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video while this thinks about what it's doing, and then see you in a second. Okay, now that's done packaging up. Looks like I did all right. I got one error here from, looks like I don't have the right Android SDK. I'll have to hunt down that bug and see if I can find a fix for it. But I'm not planning on sending out to Android for this, so shouldn't be an issue. So once you've packaged it up, what you're going to end up with is a folder within your wherever you sent it. And inside that's going to be, your host project and all of the information that you needed for your plugin. So what we can do from here is we can open up another project and bring it in. So I'm going to go ahead and open up. I think I'm going to open up the ITSY project because I was planning on bringing this into there. That's why I went ahead and loaded this up. Just to show you what I've got going on here. Here we are back in our ITSY world. We don't have anything going on in here yet. We don't have our plugin. So what we can do is we go to our plugin and let's see here, export. Just copy the whole folder, and then you're going to go to wherever your project is that you're working on. So in my case, it's ITSY here, final, and then you won't see a plugins folder, so you just create one, and then it'll pick it up. And then drop that folder in there, and then on your next startup, it should pick it up just fine. So I'll go ahead and close this back down, and I will open it back up. ITSY final. There it is. And like I said, I'm not packaging this up for export or for somebody else to use. It's just my internal stuff. So so this will work out perfect. So now it's where it needs to be. It's in the plugins, and then you got your content toolbox down here. Here's our assets. We can drop some of our assets in or change the material colors. You can make make things different color. I'm gonna add boxes here. Add a box there. I can make it blue. So all of our assets and everything is in there. So I can open up the map, and then our maps here. So like everything we did over in the Toolbox tutorial series, or that we've done here in the Toolbox tutorial series, just pulls right up. So the whole concept here from the beginning was to make a toolbox content folder here that we can then later remove. So once we're done using all of these assets, we've created everything we're going to create. We're getting ready to ship the game out for production and whatnot. So we can just remove all of this, So that's the concept. Yeah. Not much to it, but thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or issues, drop them down in the comments. And I'm pretty small time, so I should be able to hit you back up. All right.